This 2015 Winnebago Era 70C is a Class B RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, Slideout, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features rear bath. This 2015 Winnebago Era 70C is built on a Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.